Everybody, it's been forever since I did a video, so I'm going to do a quick tour of the garden so you guys can see what's going on. Got a little bit of ginger that I'm going to try to overwinter, and some turmeric. I pulled all this stuff up and try to see if I can reroot it. It's probably not going to work, but I got a good ginger harvest this year, and the turmeric was pretty good too. Over here in this bed, we got some asparagus. We're going to be harvesting this next spring, and then we just kind of have some herbs that are hanging on here for dear life with the frost starting to come in and everything. Got some basil, some oregano, some thyme. Got some romaine lettuce that I planted, and so we're going to be cutting this off every few days to have some salads and stuff to take with us. Some Georgia basil with some purple flowers here. Flowers have kind of knocked back a little bit. They were on pretty much every branch. And of course we have our chives. Got a few beets. Some more lettuce that's planted way too close together. Some spinach. And another thing of lettuce. The real crop that's going on right now is carrots. I've got two different times that I planted these carrots. So one of them's about 4 weeks. Two of the beds are about 4 weeks ahead of the other. But the carrots are doing really good. Got healthy plants. I'll be pulling them up at some point in the future. That's a purple carrot you can see there. But I'm getting some significant size with them. What we do with the carrots is we peel them and we cut them up, and then we'll blanch them and freeze them, and we'll use them in soups and stews. We had 2 beds last year, and we ran out of them in March when we took them out, like first week of December. So went with a lot of carrots this year, and that's what's going on. Looking forward to getting all this stuff in the freezer and getting done for the year until everything picks back up in February when I start the tomato seeds again. So that's it. Thanks for watching.